Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be learning how to record your sales online using the desktop app. Okay, so this is the desktop app right here. So I'm going to click on it. Now when you open the desktop app, you log into your details. This is where it brings you to. Now once it brings you here, we are going to record our sales. So we click on new transaction and then we go to record online. Usually when you click on new transaction for the first time, it actually brings you to the online section. Okay, so you notice over here online displayed, okay, meaning that every record that you make here is going to be recorded online. Okay, so now let's go ahead. So let's maximize this and let's go ahead and make some records. Okay, so you search for your item, you search for the product here. Now you can scan using the barcode as well, all right, and it will appear here. So once you search for your product, the product appears here. You see the product name, the batch number, the unit price. You can sell at wholesale, quantity, discount, subtotal, remove. Okay, you can keep selecting as many items as you want. Okay. Let me select a last item. You click on enter. Okay. Okay, so we have all these items here. Now once you have selected these items, you can adjust. You can sell at wholesale by clicking inside. You can adjust the quantity, the discount. Okay, now once you are done, you come here, okay, and then you enter the amount received. So if the customer gave you something more than what is already stated here, okay, so you clear what is here. Let's say the customer gave you 100 CDs, you enter what the customer gave you. If there are any notes pertaining to the transaction, you can state it. Let's say the customer was rude. If that is the note you want to use, you can have that as well. And then you can select the payment method. You click on it. Was it via mobile money or card or bank deposit? Okay, then now you can either sell with receipt or sell with no receipt. Selling with receipt means that you are going to print a receipt for the customer. Selling with no receipt means that you are not going to actually print any receipts for the customer. Okay, so once you click on any of them, all right, and then it tells you that your transaction has been recorded successfully and that you are supposed to give this particular balance, okay, to your customer. So you click on OK, and this is all for how to record your sales online. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in our next video. So do have a wonderful time and bye bye.